So we're folding clothes, and I noticed that one of my kids, I won't say any names, has a hole in the knee of his pants. That is,
Whoopsie poopsie.
you hear the one. I won't say his name.
My name is JJ.
Anyways, don't you just hate when they get holes in their pants? But guess what? I can show you how to sew this up easily with needle and thread. Did you want to learn? Well, let me show you because it's so easy. Okay, so we're going to take a needle and a piece of thread. You can choose your color. I chose black because the pants had this little design on it. So, and plus, they're going to be playing around anyway. And who really cares about the color? We just patching up the knee. So now I'm going to take the needle and you're going to thread it. I kind of got it already even, so I'm going to pull it. Ooh. And then we're going to tie a knot. Double tie a knot. Sometimes you could triple it. Try to keep the knot on top of itself. Oh my gosh.
You did it wrong.
Hold on, do it again.
Man, don't get it.
They gonna hear you anyway, y'all. Out this bad. Oh.
Wait, would you have me mouth? Say what did you have in your mouth?
I just tied 3 knots that did not like lay on top of each other. Let's see if I can connect them all together.
Just run.
Yeah.
See, nothing wrong.
Yes. I got all of them. All right, so we're gonna flip the left side. Baby, ever gonna know how wonderful his love was. Okay. Pinch it in half. And then we're gonna bring it right up under the hole where it starts. Pull.
That's all, dudes.
And you just repeat until you get all the way up. Finish the last stitch. And then go through that last line. Okay. Unless you want to play video games, this sounds awful. Oh, you need pee-pee? Oh, yeah. All right. Come on.
Nah, shit.
Pop the string.
Is it so? Kind of ice on it.
And now it matches. Stitch, stitch. Stitch, stitch. So